Welcome. Today I'll show you how to activate Hey Google option into a NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Firstly, open your Google application, this one. Then in the top right corner we got our Google account icon. Tap it and choose settings. Here go into voice option and now choose voice match. And here need press get started to activate your OK Google. So get started. Now you need to give access to your assistant, tap next, and I agree. And how you can see, Hey Google is ready to use. Press continue and press not now. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.